I still remember the first time I had lettuce wraps at a restaurant. One bite and I was completely hooked. I knew I had to figure out how to make them at home. And honestly, this recipe is easier than I ever imagined and every bit as good as the restaurant version. Maybe even better because you get to control everything that goes into it. If getting the perfect lettuce cup is stressing you out, I've got a cheat for that too. Let's make some lettuce wraps. Let's start with the lettuce. I'm using romaine hearts today. They're naturally cup-shaped, sturdy enough to hold a generous scoop of filling, and just the right size. Easy peasy. What else works? Well, you could use iceberg lettuce. I mean, that's the classic for lettuce wraps. The trick is getting the leaves apart without tearing them. You can also use butter lettuce, sometimes called Bibb or Boston lettuce, which is soft and pliable, beautiful for a fancy presentation. But it can be a little bit more delicate and sometimes just plain hard to find in your grocery store. Personally, I prefer the romaine. Whatever you choose, make sure you clean it and dry it really well. And here's that cheat that I promised you. If wrapping the filling around the perfect lettuce cup is stressing you out, skip it. I mean, just tear your lettuce into little bits and pieces, put it in a bowl, and then add your toppings on top for a gorgeous, delicious salad bowl. It's actually the way I make it most of the time. We're gonna start with the cashews because our pan is clean right now. Put them straight into a medium-high pan and don't you dare walk away. They go from perfectly golden to burnt in the time it takes to check your phone. So keep your eye on them. Take them off before they're done. They keep toasting even though the heat is off. So you got little golden toasty bits. Let's talk about the ingredients. I'm using 1 pound ground chicken. It cooks quickly, crumbles beautifully, stays tender, and soaks up the sauce like a dream. But honestly, use whatever ground meat or plant-based ground that you love best. They all work because the sauce is gonna bring the flavor. The recipe calls for mushrooms, but I don't have mushrooms today. They add a little bit of flavor. They extend the meat a little bit, but I'm not gonna worry about it. So use them if you've got them, don't if you don't. Sweet bell peppers add color, flavor, texture. I'm cutting them on the small side because remember, they need to go into a lettuce wrap. The recipe calls for water chestnuts, and when I have them, I love them, but I don't have those today either. So I'm using radishes for the crunch. I would not skip the garlic and ginger. They really make the flavor, especially that fresh ginger. Oh, so good in there. Ginger is not an option. And I said fresh ginger, but I actually keep my ginger frozen. It's a great way to store ginger and keep it tasting just like fresh. I wash it, dry it, pop it into a airtight bag, throw it in the freezer, and then when I need it, it's still frozen, but I can grate that ginger and use it. I don't worry about the peel because I've washed it. If you don't like the peel, take it off. Powdered ginger's just not gonna cut it in this recipe. There, it looks like a lot, but it's really fluffy. The rest of it goes back in the freezer right away. Final ingredients that I have, cilantro, sesame seeds, grated carrots. Gives your finished wrap a little crisp, fresh flavor. This is one of those recipes where it is a good idea to have everything prepped rather than trying to do it while things are cooking. I'm gonna start with a little bit of canola oil. Make sure that it's cooked thoroughly. Time to add the garlic and the ginger. There's that smell, it's so good. Now let's add our peppers and radishes. Look how pretty and colorful that looks. Now let's get to the sauces. About 2 teaspoons of sesame oil for that irresistible flavor. 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. It's fermented soybean with garlic, sugar, vinegar, and just adds a little bit of sweetness, some stickiness, and it's kind of like a Chinese barbecue sauce. It really does make this sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1, 2. We're starting to get some of that color, sauciness, sweet chili or garlic sauce. Just before we take it off the heat, we're gonna add a little bit of lime juice. Oh. There it is. There's that flavor that we love. She's done. It's time for assembly. check this out. And now the fun part, we get to assemble our lettuce wraps. Grab some filling. Now the trick is not to overfill them. Some of the sesame seeds. I'm a cilantro fan, so yep, cilantro goes on. A little bit of green onion, fresh carrots and cashews. Fold it as best as I can and take a giant bite. I love that flavor. That is why I make these at home. So darn good. Let me know if you make it and what type of lettuce situation you ended up with. If you like helpful, practical tips for using seasonal ingredients, you hit that follow button.